The first thing you need to do is pull up your CET menu. I have mine tied to tilde. And then whichever one you're going to, I think the deployed version doesn't show the tooltips, but I added tooltips for what gets what it's tied to, right? So this particular is tied to left, right, and forward, ADW, so on and so on. This one is left and right, so it's really good too. Anyway, so let's play with this one. So you go to input bindings and 3. So what I like to do then is hit tilde again. See the Cyber Engine tweaks. Turn that off, and now I'm in game. So as I run around, like I'm not even assigning anything, but it's still telling me what I'm pushing. So I'm gonna flip over to my. Now I'm using my controller, right? So you said right bumper. So what's right bumper tied to? Oh, grenade. Better point up. So right bumper is grenade. B is it's like control. So what? Then hit tilde again. So I was just doing that just to see what buttons were being pressed. So yeah. Anyway, so push grapple 3. Now it's waiting, but I have to turn off CET again before it can see any inputs. Let's do that, and then at the same time, push right bumper and B. And now, push tilde again so I can use my mouse. This is tied to this big mess. Okay. Now let's turn these off, give myself some XP. So let's tie this to, we'll try swing. B. Using up all my grenades. Let's see. We're using controller. So if I do this. Oh. There we go. Yeah, it's probably not the best. Probably just that combination, right bump, because right bumper is all messed up. Unless you turn off. I don't know if there's a way to go in here and, like I said, I never use a controller. I don't like it. How do you tell it to sign? What a mess. All right. So let's so that's if you use right bumper. I don't want to use right bumper. I want to use something else. Man, I am blowing through all my grenades. What does left bumper do? Yeah, left bumper's tab. Let me get it. That's far enough away. All right. Let's try left bumper instead. Or yeah, left bumper B. Of course, that takes your. You're gonna take your thumb off anyway. Let's try left bumper B. So now it's set to left bumper B. Hit OK. What was stand up? This one? Yeah, it doesn't work either. That's why I don't like using a controller. Let's try left D-pad B. I think that one. Oops. Okay. Yeah. So like left D-pad B is working. I don't know if you have left D-pad tied to something else. You have to take your hand off the thumbs just to use it. But yeah, that's how you do it. Let me do it one more time, just so you can see what I'm doing. So I hit tilde key to pull this up. I go into input bindings. Let's clear this out. So I click on this. Now it needs my controller, but it won't see my controller while CET is up. So I hit tilde to close CET. Then I hit, what was it? Left D-pad B. Hit tilde again so that I can hit OK. And now it is tied to... See, when you push a button, it keys a bunch of actions, but it's tied to that combination. Just to prove that it works. Let's jump. I think it's because I'm B is crouch. Let's jump. There. So swing, you have to be airborne. You can't. You can. It kind of works when on the ground. How do I put my butt one pointed up? Right. So anyway, that's how you do it.